In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a funnel in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a funnel, customize its pages, and understand the key areas you'll use to track performance and manage settings. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to the Launchpad. This is the main dashboard you see when you open your location. From here, look for the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where all your websites and funnels are managed. Once you're inside the Sites section, look for the Funnels area and click on New Funnel. This is how you start building a new funnel from scratch or from a pre-built option. When the new funnel window opens, you'll see a few choices, from blank, funnel AI, and from templates. If you're still getting comfortable with GoHighLevel, I recommend choosing from templates. This gives you a solid structure to start from, instead of designing every step manually. So select from templates, pick a template that suits your goal, and then click on Create to confirm. After your funnel is created, you'll see it appear in your funnel list. Click on your newly added funnel to open it. Inside, you'll see the different steps that make up your funnel, such as landing pages, thank you pages, or checkout pages. To customize any of these steps, hover over a step and click on Edit. This opens the page builder. For example, if it's a landing page, you can now change headlines, text, images, buttons, and forms to match your offer and branding. Take your time here to make sure the copy and visuals are clear and focused on your main call to action. When you're done editing that page, click on Back to return to the funnel overview. Here you can rearrange the order of your funnel steps. Simply click on one of the steps and drag it up or down to change the sequence. This is useful if you decide, for example, that a thank you page or an upsell page should appear earlier or later in the flow. At the top of your funnel, you'll see several tabs. Click on Stats to view your funnel performance, such as visits and conversions. Click on Sales to see revenue generated by that funnel. The Security tab lets you view and configure security header data for better protection and compliance. Under Events, you can set up tracking events data to send information to platforms like Meta by using things such as a Pixel ID and access token. Finally, the Settings tab is where you edit SEO details, connect or adjust your domain, and handle more technical backend options for your funnel.